Hi, this is Steve Harris, and I want you to join me on a little adventure that you're just going to love. Now, I'm sure you've all seen butane stoves like this, and they go onto a can of this size, or this size, basically quarter pound, half pound, 1 pound. Quarter pound, half pound, 1 pound, roughly. Just call them that for fun. But they're, these are small and compact and they're light. They're a little pricey. It's like $5, $7, $10, $12 or more for that one. And a lot of time you just want to carry this little one with you because it's the most convenient size. But what most of you don't know is there is another option. And that is a can of butane fuel like this, which is meant for small stoves. And, well, this one is about $3.49 at Walmart for 8 ounces. So $3.49 for 8 ounces, that'd be about $7 a pound. And a bottle of propane is about $3 to $4 a pound. And there is more energy in butane than there is in propane. But, it's still quite a bit more expensive than propane, and you're paying for the convenience. What most people don't know is you can get an adapter like this, and I will be covering these in the future. I can put this on here, and then I can screw on. If you want to know about this little thing, it's going to be in some Harris videos coming up on Harris1234.com, the membership platinum area. I got everyone that you could possibly think of, and I can do some extraordinary stuff, including refilling this off of that. So expensive container, expensive fuel, this becomes empty, refill on this, cheap fuel. So anyways, there's some stories going around on Facebook that you can get these cylinders here for like $4 for $5 at some Asian grocery stores. And it's like, well, that's interesting. Now let me show you that this works. It's like, not only can I transfer the fuel to another cylinder, but on its own, this works very good as well. In fact, I love butane-sized lanterns. Yes, I can run a butane lantern off of propane, too. Ooh, there we go. And that's another thing in my video. You want to see economics and scale. You watch me run one of these off a propane cylinder, you're going to go, that's neat as hell. So anyways, here we have a lantern, a one-mantle lantern, and a small stove, which I love this stove. This is like all you need. This stove here, way too big. That's the type you want if you're an ultralight backpacker. So it's all running off of that cylinder of butane. Well, let's go on a little adventure and see if we can't find the mysterious cylinders of butane, 8 ounces mind you, for $1.25 each, or $1.50 each, or are they more expensive at these places? Let's go find out. Well, I'm here at Gordon Food Service. Let's see what they got for butane. Okay, I'm at Gordon Food Service. They got 4 8-ounce sterno butane cartridges for $8.99. That price is not very good. And here we are at Asian Bazaar. Let's see what they got for butane. Well, they didn't have crap. Real small store. No butane. Oh, we don't have butane. Okay, next store. Well, another Asian supply store. See, Saigon Market has butane. And yes, they have butane. $4.99 for 4 8-ounce cans. What a deal. Well, let's go in the Chinatown Market and see if they got any butane. Well, yep, they have butane. $6 for 4. Not a bad price. Now, just how much better does it get? There's a Big Lots, an Asian market, and a Cold Stone Creamery. Let's see what they got for butane. And yes, they got 4 packs of butane, only $5.99. Not bad. So we have 1, 2, 3 bottles of butane from 3 different Asian stores. $1.25, $1.50, and $1.50, not including tax. And we have a $5 bottle of isobutane from the REI or Walmart or wherever, or Cabela's you want to go. Now the thing is, this is not just butane. It is also isobutane and a mixture of a couple other flavors of propane, which aren't the propane that you're used to, and other chemicals, so it's got better cold weather performance, because normal butane does not volatilize below 32 Fahrenheit. You can actually pour it back and forth between a cup like water when it's below 32, and I have done it. So the thing is, for the test to see how well this works and its limitations, yes, I have a little bit of ham for my high protein diet in the dehydrator, which is another video I'm making for you. But into the freezer at -5, the butane goes overnight to see if it'll volatilize tomorrow and work on the stove or the lantern. So, if you want to see the results, tune in.